Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be making my mother's favorite pancakes, chocolate chip pancakes. She likes the one from IHOP, but mine is IHOP. If you don't understand what I'm saying, you can just stay till the end of the video, which would be really nice. And I'll tell you what IHOP means. It's kind of funny though. Okay, let's start. Okay, now let's get to our ingredients. So we have our 1.5 cups of atta, which we're gonna put our 2 tablespoons of sugar in. Okay, and now since there's 1.5 cups of atta, we're gonna put the other half cup of cocoa powder. Next, let's put our baking powder, 1 teaspoon. And now, we're gonna mix them until they look a little brown. Okay, so now let's beat our eggs slowly. Let's put them in our buttermilk. Okay, so now that we've put our eggs in the buttermilk, we are going to pour it into our dry mixture. And now let's add our salted butter. And now we're going to mix it for a minute and add our chocolate chips. Okay, so now let's make our pancake. First, let's put butter. Okay, so now let's put our butter. Okay, so now let's put our pancake batter. So excited! Wow, oh my gosh, it looks so good. It's dripping. Okay. That looks perfect. I made a heart because it is Valentine's Day and I'm going to surprise my mother with her favorite chocolate chip pancakes. So what we're going to do is we're going to wait for a few seconds, like 30 seconds, and until we see like around 10 to 20 bubbles up, rising. Like they see already one bubble, so it's going to rise up fast. We have to wait and we'll be right back when it's time to flip it. Okay, so now there are a lot of bubbles, around 10 to 15, so we can flip it now. Oh, that looks perfect. That looks so good. Okay, I think we'll wait for a minute or two and this will be ready to eat up. The reason why I'm making it with atta is because my mom is health conscious and she prefers it with atta instead of maida, which is all-purpose flour. So now I think it's ready. So now let us put it on our plate and get ready to eat it. Okay, so now we're gonna garnish it with powdered sugar, raspberries, and which is her favorite fruits. Now let's put our raspberries. I don't know if it looks nice or not, but I hope she likes it. So let's put a little bit more on top. Okay, now let's taste our IHOP pancakes. Oops. Juicy. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone, once again. And to my mother, I hope you like this pancake just like as I did. Thank you all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.